Hey guys, Easy Amateur Radio, and we're making the trip to a local park, US 4085. We're riding around in the second gen Tacoma today. We're going to talk about doing just a low profile parks on the air activation. Now, if you're anything like me, you don't want a lot of attention drawn to you, or you definitely don't want to be asked by a game warden or a park ranger, what are you doing? Or a neighbor. In this case, this POTA has neighbors around it. So I like low profile POTA activations, which is why I try to keep everything relegated to the vehicle, whether that's a mobile antenna, a mag mounted 17-foot whip on top, or anything like that. So that's what we're going to do today. Today we're going to be running the Yaesu 891 off a spare battery in the Tacoma. I usually have it wired up to the truck's battery, but it's been a little cold outside and I don't want things to pull too much battery. I'm by myself today, so I definitely don't want the battery to go out in this truck. I have a jump box, but you know how that goes. We're going to try to avoid all that. Anyway, we're going to be running about 50 watts into the Yaesu ATOS 120 that I've modified with the bigger, longer Wilson antenna. This is a small parking lot, kind of a hard WMA to get in and out of. We're going to whip it in, tune the antenna, spot myself, and go. I've got about 25 minutes for this activation. I like to slip POTAs in. I don't like to do like daily dedicated things, just because when I'm working full-time and running a business, it's hard to dedicate an entire day to it. But I will say today and tomorrow are the last day of primitive firearm season here in Louisiana. So I kind of expected some people to be out here today. You can only fit about 4 trucks in this parking lot, but nobody's here. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road, get in and get out. It's 4:17 from the time we put the truck in park. Let's go ahead and get everything started. Stay tuned for some contacts, hopefully. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra calling CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, any station, anywhere. KI5 WES from US 4085. That's Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra, any station, anywhere.
Charlie 0, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel.
Kilo Charlie 0 something Sierra, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel. QSL?
QSL, you're 5-7 into my Oscar.
Hey, thank you for the 5-7. I have you a good 5-7 as well in the Lima Alpha, Louisiana at Park US 4085. You're the first contact.
Thank you so much,
7-3, my friend. QRZ, Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. All right, 424, first contact. CQ, Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra calling CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air, any station, anywhere. CQ, 20 meters, Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra, anyone, anywhere.
W5 Echo Mike Charlie.
Whiskey 5 Echo Mike Charlie. I've got you, my friend, about a 5-5-55 here in Lima Alpha, Louisiana at Park US 4085.
Okay, very good. We're in Austin, Texas at the home location. KF5WES, W5EMC, name is Bob.
W5EMC, thank you so much, Bob. Hope things are warming up finally for my neighbors over there in Texas. I'm about 40 miles north of Baton Rouge right now, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I appreciate the contact, my friend. I'm going to go ahead and roll on. I appreciate the good 5-5 contact here. And I'm going to move on to the next contact, my friend. Thank you so much. Glad to make your acquaintance. 73 KI5 WES.
Victor. Whiskey Bravo 9, November Delta Golf.
All right, November Delta Golf Station. Let's go with you, buddy.
Whiskey Bravo 9, November Delta Golf, 59 Brookville, Florida.
Whiskey Bravo 9 November Delta Golf. Thank you, my friend. I have you about a 5757 into Lima Alpha, Louisiana at Park US 4085.
I sure appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too, my friend. Thank you. All right, QRZ.
Kilowatt Echo 9 Bravo Victor.
Over.
All right, Bravo Victor Station.
Kilo Echo 9 Bravo Victor.
Kilo Echo 9 Bravo Victor. Good signal. 59 US 4085 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
Roger, Roger. I've got 257 right now here into Kansas, Kilo Sierra.
I appreciate that, my friend, and you're pushing a 59 plus 10, so a good signal into the mobile today.
All right, very good. Thanks for the activation out there. 73's good luck tonight.
73. All right, there's a few of you left in there. Let's go ahead. QRZ, KI5WES. Whiskey 4 Delta Papa Echo. Good signal, my friend. 59.
Thank you. You're 55 here in November Charlie, North Carolina.
And 73. Thank you.
73, bud.
Whiskey 0, Kilo Echo, Germany.
Whiskey 0 Kilo Echo Germany. I've got you, my friend. About a 5353 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
Roger that. Hi, Weston. Good afternoon, my friend. Copy the 53. I'll do you better. I got you a nice 57 here, Mike November, QSL.
I'll always take a 57 into Mike November from US 4085. Thank you, my friend.
Thanks, Weston. 73, brother.
All right, are there any QRP stations out there? QRP stations only.
Kilo 0, yes, Delta. Juliet, Zulu.
All right, there's a station ending in Zulu. Hold tight. Kilo 0 station, you first.
Hi, Roger. This is Kilo 0, yeah. Boy, I can't remember my call. Kilo 0, Sierra Delta. I'm located at US 8584. This is the Park.
All right, I copied the US 8584, and I've got you about a 5555.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's really good. All right, well, thank you very much. I got you about a 5.8, a little bit better than that.
I appreciate that, my friend. What QRP rig are you running?
I'm just running a 10 watt, what do they call these things, C90?
Oh, yeah, okay, my friend. Sounds good. Appreciate it. All right, the other QRP station.
Whiskey Bravo 3, Delta Juliet Zulu.
Whiskey Bravo 3 Delta Juliet Zulu. Got you about a 5-1 in US 4085.
Weston, I have you 5757 in Papa Alpha, running 10 watts.
10 watts. I've got you, my friend. Thank you for the 5.7. What rig are you running?
I'm running an SC998. I always like 210.
Yeah, roger that, my friend. I love I just sold it, but I loved my 991 from Yazoo. I appreciate it, my friend. 73. All right, there's a Whiskey 7 Victor Oscar Zulu. Let's work you while I got you, my friend. About a 5-1-51. Thank you for Southern Nevada, my friend. 73. All righty, I'm going to get the Sierra Uniform Foxtrot station, and then I'm going to call for Park to Park. Go ahead, Sierra Uniform.
Kilo 1, Sierra Uniform Foxtrot. You're about 5-1, Sierra Charlie.
Thank you for the 5-1 in South Carolina. I have you about a 5-5, Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
QSL, thank you for activating.
You're number 10. Thank you for activating today. 73, my friend. All right, Park to Park stations. Anyone, anywhere, Park to Park. No copy. Okay, I'm opening it up. Anyone, anywhere, KI5WES, POTA.
Kilo Bravo 9, Juliet, Lima, Quebec, over.
All right, Kilo Bravo 9 station.
Kilo Bravo 9, Juliet.
Kilo Bravo 9, Juliet, you broke through, my friend, about a 5.858 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
Roger Roger, Roger. You're about a 5'7" here in Illinois. Weston, thanks for the park.
Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. This is Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra from US 4085. Any station, anywhere. Sierra station.
Whiskey 7, Charlie Sierra.
Whiskey 7 Charlie Sierra 59 Louisiana.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5'9". You're also 5'9", Sierra Foxtrot Lima. Over.
Roger that, my friend. 73. Appreciate the contact. QRZ.
Kilo 1, Charlie Papa Tango.
Kilo 1 Charlie Papa Tango. Is that correct?
QSL. Gotta get 5'9", Western Iowa.
59 as well into US 4085 in South Louisiana. 73.
73.
All right, QRZ. Anyone, anywhere.
Kilo Foxtrot Zulu Papa Lima.
Kilo Foxtrot 5 Zulu Papa Lima. Good signal. 59 into US 4085.
Roger, Roger. Hey, you got a great signal too. 5'9" in the clear. Fort Smith, Arkansas. Alpha Romeo.
Hey, appreciate it from Arkansas. Love it up there. 73. QRZ. Anyone, anywhere. Parks on the air.
India 5, Lima, Quebec, Mike.
India, Quebec, Mike station.
Kilo, India 5, Lima, Quebec, Mike.
Kilo, India 5, Lima, Quebec, Mike. Good signal. 59. You broke through.
Roger, thank you for the 5'9". You also 5'9" here in neighboring Central Texas, QSL.
QSL, my friend, I hope it's warming up over there in Texas for you. It's a little bit warmer today over here to your neighbors.
Roger, thanks for that. It is warming up. I'll let you go. 73.
73. QRZ.
November 4, Charlie Romeo Victor.
All right. November 4, Charlie Romeo Victor. Good signal. 59.
QSL 5'9" into Sierra Charlie just outside of Greenville.
Thank you for Greenville, South Carolina, my friend. All right. There's a station maybe down in the noise. Gulf Victor. Go ahead. All right. Any QRP stations?
November 4, Charlie Golf Romeo.
There you are. November 4, Charlie Gulf Romeo. Got you, my friend. About a 4949 Lima Alpha, Louisiana. QSL, my friend, how many watts and what rig are you running?
I'm running a G90. I'm pushing 5 watts right now.
I'll take that. Good signal, my friend. You're making the trip. 73.
Thank you. 73.
All right. Any park-to-park stations? Any park-to-park stations? Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Anyone, anywhere?
Whiskey India 5 Delta.
Whiskey India 5 Delta. Good signal. 57 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
QSL, you are 5'9" in Missouri.
Thank you for the 59 Missouri, my friend. From US 4085, 73.
Thanks a lot. 73.
All right, let's do two or three more. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Anyone, anywhere. POTA. Oh, they dried up. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Any station, anywhere. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Anyone, anywhere. All right, we'll call it. Okay, guys. So that was 18 contacts in 11 minutes. 18 contacts in 11 minutes, and I never had to get out the truck. Hey guys, Easy Amateur Radio. We're leaving the park. It's that simple. It really is. 18 contacts in 10 minutes. Well, really it was 11, but still 18 and 11. That's crazy. That's fast. That's one of my faster activations, and it was fun. Had a pile up the whole time. You know, you saw it in the video. Working a pile up is fun, and I never had to get out the truck. How awesome is that? You know, it doesn't take an hour to set antennas up. It doesn't take an hour to set it down. You know, if I had to leave fast, all I had to do was put and go. Nothing crazy. Amateur radio does not have to be that hard or that complicated or anything like that. 50 watts from a radio with an antenna that works with the radio. It's the biggest appliance operator's advantage is pull up, activate, get out of there, no issues, no problems. That's what I like. You know, I often get frustrated whenever I go to do an activation, and I spend time having to tinker with the radio. Recently, for Support Your Parks weekend, I went out to make contacts and felt like nothing would work. Eventually, I just tuned my CB antenna up and made that work, and made contacts on 10 and 15. Who'd have thunk it? But I made it work, but it was frustrating. Today's contacts was smooth as butter. That's what we like, you know. Appreciate you hanging out this long in the video, and hope to see you guys again. If you've hung around this long, make sure you like and subscribe, because obviously you're either listening to this and not paying attention to what's going on in the video visually, or you just haven't done it. Subscribing's free. It's not going to hurt anybody. So if you're an appliance operator like me, get out there, get on the air. 73, guys.